be so powerful next stream. we're gonna bonk everything in sight. We're gonna blaze through Altus Plateau. We're building up something to be strong. Rock hard, yeah. Up here, okay. Hello? Oh. Whee! Spin! Spin. We are rock hard! Yes! Wholesomely! Because remember, not everything has to be weird. We are wholesomely rock hard because we're rocks. And we're hard rocks. Because rocks are hard. Get it? Okay. Wholesomely rock hard. Yeah. Hi, first time here. What are we talking about? We're pebbles. Okay, you guys are pebbles. And pebbles are rocks, right? So you're hard. So you're rock hard. That means we're strong. Excuse me. And it's wholesome. Yes, there you go. Basically that's the conversation. It's not phrasing, it's literal.